You might know you can't कपाल सबको पता एक से लेकर के में यहाँ है मजा पब्लिक स्पीकिंग है अपना अंदाज प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स सबको देंगे राज इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन
How's the energy today, guys?
It's high.
That's great. But honestly, we need a little more energy because today is not an ordinary day.
Today is the day of achievement, celebration, reward, and recognition.
A day to appreciate hard work, confidence, dedication, and the spirit of never giving up.
So, a very warm and cheerful welcome to all of you present here at the reward and recognition ceremony organized by Excellent Academy. And today we are not just your hosts, we are your hosts and those. So sit back,
Enjoy the ceremony and get ready to congratulate the shining star of our academy.
now it's time to welcome someone very special who has honored us with his presence today.
A person who believes in discipline, balance, and a healthy lifestyle.
We are truly privileged to have with us our guest of honor, Mr. Dinesh Singh Mehta, a renowned yoga trainer, expert, and retired commander.
Because success begins when both mind and body grow together.
Sir, we warmly welcome you and request you to kindly grace the stage.
So my name is Dinesh Mehta. I am a retired army person. It has been 8 years since I retired from army, and my mantra is quite clear. Just keep learning new things. If you learn one thing a month, just imagine how many things you have learned by the end of this year.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the words of President. पलक एक बात बताओ इतने टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स को देखकर कैसा फील हो रहा है
सच बोलूं, थोड़ा मोटिवेशन और थोड़ा कंपटीशन.
ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे नेक्स्ट रिवॉर्ड्स के लिए हमें भी इतनी मेहनत स्टार्ट अभी से कर देनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि स्टेज पे अनाउंस करना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन स्टेज पे रिवॉर्ड लेना और भी अच्छा लगता है.
So, before we begin the rewards, let's see how active our audience is. So, audience, are you ready?
So here comes the first riddle. I can fly without wings. I can cry without eyes. What am I?
Yes.
वाओ, ऑडियंस तो काफी स्मार्ट लग रही है.
So now it's time to welcome our star of the week achievers. रोज की मेहनत जब आदत बन जाए तभी सफलता हाथ लग जाए.
Our next achiever is curious, active, and always ready to learn. A bright student with amazing enthusiasm and positivity. Audience, any guesses? So please put your hands together for Jigyasa Dhapola.
So get the camera.
Our next achiever is someone who is very talkative but sincere. करता है सबकी leg pulling but फिर भी है सबका dear. So can anyone guesses? Please welcome Krishna Singh Basera. Evening class.
Yes.
चलिए अवार्ड्स कंटिन्यू करते हैं बट बिफोर दैट एक हिंदी पहेली हो जाए.
बिल्कुल, नेकी और पूछ पूछ. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो पानी पीते ही मर जाती है?
Wow.
ऑडियंस तो काफी एक्टिव है आज की. बट नाउ लेट्स चेक योर स्पीकिंग स्पीच 2.
Now I will give you one tongue twister. That is kacha papad and pakka papad. And let's see who can repeat this tongue twister 5 times faster. Yes.
Yes.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
क्या बात.
Now, let's move towards the student who impressed everyone with their outstanding performance in the pre-assessment test. This achiever proves that dedication and consistency always bring success. A focused personality with excellent performance and determination. His efforts and discipline truly deserve an appreciation. Audience, any guesses? So please welcome Jatin Kanwal, evening batch.
Again.
And now let's welcome the student who came incredibly close to the top and proved their dedication with consistent hard work, our runner-ups. Behind every reward, there are unseen efforts, late nights, and strong determination.
जीत जरूरी नहीं, कोशिश लाजवाब होनी चाहिए.
Our next achiever carries confidence and elegance together beautifully. A personality that leaves an impression wherever she goes. Her consistency, dedication, and graceful presence truly deserve appreciation. Can anyone guess who we are talking about? Yes. Please put your hands together for Nimita Rotela. Morning, ma'am.
Bless you.
So our next achiever is focused, hardworking, constantly improving. Her dedication and determination inspire everyone around her. A personality that proves success comes through continuous efforts. Audience, any guesses? So please put your hands together for Jyoti Kanwal. Evening batch.
And now comes one of the most awaited moments of today's ceremony. Let's welcome our star of the month. जो अंधेरों में भी चमकना जाने वही असली सितारा कहलाता है.
Our next achiever is someone who may seem quiet, but when she speaks, her confidence truly shines. Graceful, focused, and absolutely phenomenal in communication. Her personality reflects confidence, discipline, and positivity beautifully. Can anyone guess? Please welcome Suchita Shah, morning batch.
Bless you. Bless you.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Good morning everyone. I am truly grateful to God for blessing me with this opportunity and guiding me throughout my journey. I am deeply grateful to Sir for his constant support, encouragement, and for helping us build our confidence and improve our communication skills through interactive activities. Thank you, Excellent Academy, for providing such a wonderful platform to help us learn and grow. And a special thanks to my family and batchmates for their constant support. This award keeps inspiring me to keep learning and do my best. Thank you once again to everyone.
So, our next achiever inspires everyone with dedication and positivity. A personality who proves that learning never stops. Her determination and encouraging nature motivates everyone around her. Audience, can you guess the name? Please put your hands together for Mrs. Wimblish.
Good morning, respected sir, judges, and all my dear friends. It is a great honor for me to receiving this award today. I would like to sincerely thank sir and all my friends for their constant support, guidance, and encouragement. This recognition motivates me to work even harder and give my best in everything I do. I feel grateful and inspired at this moment. Thanks again to all of you and sir for this wonderful award. Thank you everyone.
Our next superstar is young, energetic, and full of enthusiasm. A bright learner with amazing potential and confidence. His cheerful energy and eagerness to learn make him shine brightly. Can you guess the name? Please welcome Tanish Kandpal.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am feeling very happy to receive this award. I recently joined this academy and in such a short time I have learned many new things. I would like to thank all I would like to thank my teachers for guiding me, motivating me and helping me improve my English and confidence. I also want to thank all my batchmates for always supporting and encouraging me. Getting the highest marks in the test has made me so motivated to work harder and do best in the future. Thank you everyone for your love, support and this wonderful honor.
तो अब ऑडियंस के लिए एक और क्विक चैलेंज. What has many keys but can't open a single lock?
Can anyone answer? Yes? Yeah, you are right.
Yes.
वाओ, आज तो सभी इंटेलिजेंट लग रहे हैं.
And now, the moment everyone has been waiting for.
Let's welcome our student of the month. जो हर महीने अपनी पहचान बनाए वही असली चैंपियन कहलाए. So our next achiever proves that confidence doesn't need to be loud to make an impact. Creative, expressive, and full of positive energy. A personality that connects with people effortlessly. Her presence, communication, and confidence make her truly special. Can anyone guess the name? Please welcome Megha Arya.
So, good morning, everyone. And today I'm here, and it means a lot receiving this award, Student of the Month. So, first of all, I would like to sincerely thank Mr. Manoj Kandpal sir for always teaching and guiding me. Because, like, if I have to share my experience, when I joined this academy, I was very shy and introvert person, and I was always afraid of speaking on stage. But with sir motivation, guidance, and dedication, I have seen a lot of positive changes in me and in my communication skill. So, sir, thank you so much for always encouraging and motivating your students. And today I can express myself just because of you. So thank you so much.
Our next achiever is graceful, sweet, and carries herself with elegance wherever she goes. A personality full of confidence, positivity, and charm that naturally wins heart. Her confidence and calm nature makes her stand out beautifully. Audience, can you guess the name? Yes, you are right. Please welcome Palak Bish.
First of all, I'm very grateful for receiving this reward. Like before joining this academy, I was a very shy person, and after joining this academy, my personality really groomed up. And all thanks to Sir for motivating and supporting me. And this is not just a reward for me, this is an inspiration to even improve more in the future. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, everyone.
Confidence is the best outfit, and this achiever carries it beautifully with elegance and consistency. Her personality, dedication, and confidence truly make her shine. Audience, any guesses? Yes, a huge round of applause for Nimita Rotela.
Thank you so much for this recognition. Being runner up and also the student of the month, it's a lot for me, and thanks to sir for for his constant guidance and support. Also, I would like to thanks Excellent Academy for this uplifting and encouraging environment, so where I can learn and constant grow. And this win is not just mine, it's the reflection of the motivation I receive here. So thank you once again, and I will give my best every day.
So, guys, can we have a huge round of applause for all our achievers?
Come on, everyone, louder, please. They truly deserve it.
So, last paheli before we end today's ceremony.
ऐसा कौन सा फल है जो मीठा होने के बाद भी बाजार में नहीं बिकता?
True. As we come to the end of this wonderful reward and recognition ceremony, we would like to thank each and every person present here today.
आज का दिन सिर्फ रिवॉर्ड का नहीं, it was a celebration of hard work, dedication, confidence and dreams.
We sincerely thank our respected teachers, our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Dinesh Singh Mehta sir, and all our students for making this event so special.
A special and heartfelt thanks to our respected Manoj Kandpal sir, whose guidance, motivation and continuous support inspire us all to grow and achieve better and every day.
So, thank you for giving students not just education, but also confidence, opportunities, and a platform to showcase their talent through Excellent Academy.
Your dedication and belief in your student truly make a difference. And today, beautiful ceremony would not be able possible without your efforts.
And a heartfelt thank to Excellent Academy for always motivating students to learn, grow, and achieve their goals. Now, as a gesture of request and gratitude, I would like to call Mr. Manoj Kandpal sir to kindly present a token of appreciation to our esteemed guest of honor.
बिल्कुल। और सर जो हैं ये बहुत सारे स्किल्स रखते हैं, बहुत सारा टैलेंट रखते हैं. आई हैव गॉट 3 balls फॉर यू सर. वुड यू लाइक टू शो दैट? वहाँ पर देखिए balls. तो गाइज अभी आपको लाइव देखे कमाल दिखाएंगे सर.
तो आती ढूंढ से सांसें नहीं, चुना चुना सा रहता हूँ मैं, लगता कुछ भी खास, जब से छोड़ने लगा हूँ कुछ प्यास नहीं मेरी जिंदगी में आई जब से.
It seems so easy right now, right? But try that and you will be like, my goodness.
Confused था मैं पहले.
So that's what we call practice makes a man perfect. Wonderful, sir. And there are many things. And sir has a YouTube channel. Please support him and subscribe and motivate him.
चैनल है डांसर योगी करके, प्लीज को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा.
Motivation देना लोगों को बहुत जरूरी है so that they continue doing great things, and that will motivate you back because he is a kind of a person who can sit back and relax and enjoy his pension money, but he's going out, working hard, keeping himself fit and motivating everyone. And he's the one who told me that if you learn one skill every month, you will be unstoppable. You remember, guys? I keep telling you that.
Yes, sir.
So he is the man. So put your hands together for him. Good job, sir. Keep it up.
सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है जो मेहनत पर विश्वास रखते हैं और मुश्किलों में भी अपने हौसलों को जिंदा रखते हैं.
So keep learning,
Keep growing and
keep shining. Thank you everyone, and once again thank you from the entire team of Excellent Academy.
So, guys, before we wind up, there are some people who really make every event special. So, I would like to thank them. So, with this small token of gratitude. So, that's for our anchors, Megha and Palak, for doing all this for us and making this event extra special. That's for you, guys. Put your hands together for them. And there are some people who might not be there visible in front of the screen, but they actually do everything possible to make this event memorable. So that goes for our cameraman, Suraj Goswami. Please come here. That is not it, guys. There are some people who are always there to help. And they extend their help to the level that they become a part of the family, and that is Dikshan. Please come here. Such a helpful personality. Bless you. And that is for our ma'am for making it out on Sunday, leaving all the work behind. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. Bless you, ma'am. So, guys, today is Mother's Day as well. So, I would request you all, when you go back home, do say thank you to your mother for being there and giving you such a wonderful upbringing that you are so smart and dashing today and so intelligent. So, for all our moms, thank you so much, guys.
Blow the minds every time you teach around, round. Excellent Academy का हाई पूरा town. Public speaking full game बोले hi. सीखने जो आया यहाँ, he's a wise guy. थोड़ा हौसला हूँ मैं, थोड़ा visionary. मैं पकाते ही लगता जैसे revolutionary. मंच कंध पाने से लिखते हैं कहानी. बन जा मैं निशानी. YouTube पे vibes है fire. Excellent की army है higher. बंदा नहीं है average, बंदा है OG. Fluency पे control जैसे हुक्म.